Secretary Honasan can play a key role in a people power revolution and lead a group of progressive soldiers dreaming of systemic improvements back then, it is but certain that such kind of leadership, passion, and determination will surely benefit a relatively young department, which is the DICT. More importantly, Secretary Honasan is very familiar with the importance of the DICT's role in safeguarding national interests and security, as such matters have always been at the forefront of a number of Senate hearings while he was still a senator. Also, as a personal note, he was quite dedicated when he supported my father in 2004, and he was very humble, and he stood by me. Actually, even during the times when there was a mob around my father, he acted as one of the ones that protected him. So I would like to thank, I never thanked him for this, but thank you, Secretary Honasan, for that. Let the government, the ICT in particular, continue to benefit from the character, competence, and hard work of a renowned statesman like Secretary Honasan. All told, I hereby support and likewise urge our colleagues to support the confirmation of Secretary Gringo Gregorio Honasan of the DIC. Thank you.